Nah, go and bad with you now. Why? Yeah, the breeze are going, but you're not going for the kids.
Maya motor, which I call a Maya motor.
Just done to Cargill. Just done poker.
No, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
When before we know that we have to, you know, look good again.
Yes. That's a rough. Now look where I'm going now. That's a. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. You can go down in there.
But you're not going to breathe like mermaid and come out.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm not telling about Tony, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You hear what we are talking
Oh, Robert, we are leaving.
You hear what we are talking about.
Mm-hmm. You know, the hills and the valleys.
That's so bad.
Mm-hmm. Hold on, G, man. Up, man. Go on do the right thing. They ain't a jam down at the same way. Hurricane today.
R&B soul. Blessing. I'm trying to take my blessing.
Said with my father, man. Yeah, man.
All the hurricane are gone. Papa, good now.
Right?
I want that.
It's a flow, you know. Yeah, man, every time my father.
The last part that again.
Very.
The last part that next part.
The last part is. Big up. Everything active, man. You hear that? One life every time. Mm-hmm. All right. Alright, barefoot. The next barefoot, let's soon drop off, you know. It's pretty and big, you know. I like how the breeze have do around here when you're so bad with the breeze, you know. You see that?
No bad. Nobody around the bed because they're big thing out now. I have no idea. Papa, you know that I don't think that. Yeah.
But then blow up.
Shoot first, not all my documents.
Alright. What is special day? The boat baby.
Blowing us a wicked. Yes. I see, I eat this.
I want to go and know the owner look fun. Very well.
They're like, why with things? The hills are safe with still.
Yeah, man, we under the hill. Watch the tree drop down.
You
You want me to see us where this so? The breadfruit now dropping, it guide to buy leaf.
Mm-hmm.
Ah, the breadfruit guide buy leaf.
It soon drop, man. Two of them drop already.
Yeah, it's too pure, it's too drop. Feet and needle, flower box side. And he having girl.
Yeah, it looks so bad, me see. You see it?
Right.
Mm-hmm.
No, Leah.
Oh. No.
Yeah.
They like this fire. This phone them.
You're supposed to need a destroyer for them, I know.
And then plan that safe they are buying.
I love them, I love. Bite.
Here, Leah. They say, oh, yeah, I'm buried. Here are all my sister. They say the hurricane. Here are in a basket. Young glass too. In a cupboard. Young glass too. You know, let's a piece of chicken, you know. Our mother, they are not in a piece of house today.
Part-time job.
Part-time job, Leah. These daddy and part-time side, they will really just see them a fight.
Then I run up them, man.
Every minute just a part-time now, and when him, every minute just see them a fight. That's the one that they love. Come in and meet me at this while I'm gone. Yeah, the man to the daddy that part, so then you can't see a right berry. Yeah, the berry that part. However, that's how me I think mango tree and sitting and drop.
Nah, drop.
Nothing.
Too much. You look listen, you block everything, man.
Eh?
Then you look listen, block your breeze.
Yeah, the hill them block the breeze. And we in the sink or so.
Mm-hmm.
Right, me not see me gungo tree there, no? Then lean down. See gungo them lean there. And the papa tree lick down gungo tree up there, so see it there?
Mm-hmm.
Papa tree lick down the gungo them what they there, so.
Yeah, me yeah watch how long I'm gonna see that woo. You didn't have no real effect. I gonna see that look. Yeah. That's a pass, you know. The right side of we are pass, you know. You see where the water? Yeah. You're there, man. The pipe and everything there, brother. That is, yes, we are blazing Shilom. Sad. I'm going around there. Right, watch it. Banana sweet gone, you know. It's just a public liquor, we. See that guy that to pass already? Yeah. Why you about turn back there, you know? Yeah.
And so the man is the person in the first half and then it's a hard piece and then I think I'm more excited the last half.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Don't go to despite that traffic long as a warm so that it's not that you think about that a warm out of the movie. So I'm going to some for the other to the end. The job. You can go on there and get
We can go by so soon about this very fast and we don't get that touch. It's very, we know it's there, very well. Very like one wicked. Yeah, that's a move like swag one. Mm-hmm. You see them? Mm-hmm. And chew they will block off some of your own. Chew them and they chew this. So now get so hard. You see them, you do them. Them are the problem. You got problems them can't solve. Because I too spin me out. God, yes. Yes, baby. Beryllium this. I have this common money. Yeah. Look on all that gun. Like gun at the station. Yes, sir. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
They were very down said about send catching an out. I got back I told him said now. Yeah man.